guys, it's left and right, and there's this. We want to make a video about this because there's this car that's outside my house.
It's terrifying.
There's no one in it.
We've made every video in your house. We need to make some at my house.
Well, that's because we never go to your house.
Right. I'll hold the camera.
Come on.
The camera.
Basically, this just like, I swear to God, it moved.
It did move. Like, so okay, let's explain.
Is that Alex?
Let's wait. Let's explain it over here because he's making noise. So basically, we had this So we were. Wait, hold on. Let's make it aesthetic.
Okay, there.
Why am I holding? I'm glad that was funny. That was so.
So, since like,
she was picking me up, and then we came back.
Wait, no, shut up. Since I had a doctor, bird baby. I had a doctor's appointment today. And ever since I got back, there's been that car in front of my house, and then she came, and it's just been there. Because I was so wrong.
She came.
I swear to God, it moved.
And it's not scary the fact that it moved. It's scary the fact that it's there.
There was a freaking spider on me. Anyway.
Oh well. So we're going to examine.
Okay, let's go.
So we're going to inspect the car.
Why?
Okay, we're going. Right.
Mommy.
Oh, we have the groundhog.
So let me do it.
Slurps away camera.
This is not
okay.
how it has to
You
be.
can film me, okay?
Okay. So
We have this groundhog. Okay, that's not the point of the video. Okay, so
skip to my little skip.
let's take a Sharpie for a second.
Skip to my little. Skip to my little. Okay, guys, we're going up to it right now. Skip to my
She's skipping to her loo.
Skip. Wait, is that kid? Is he just mowing the entire town? Guys, I think he's mowing the entire town. Skip to my loo. Okay, we need. Wait, is there someone in there? Oh God, there's another one. Why is there multiple?
There's an entire lawnmower like collection.
What the hell? Maybe it's one of the lawnmowers, like car.
Yeah, there's no one there. Ooh, there's a man.
Hi.
Oh, wait, that.
Is that Tegan's dad?
That might be actually.
Hey.
Oh, there's people. Okay, wait.
We might. Oh. We
Okay.
might be called up by the police
What?
for like trying to look in the car.
We're not gonna like break into the car. We're just gonna like inspect it.
I know, like Sam and Colby, they film all this stuff.
They film illegal stuff and they haven't gotten caught. And we're not doing anything illegal. We're just looking at a
I
car.
don't feel like being Sam and Colby where we break into an elementary.
We're not breaking
Well,
into
we
it.
break into an elementary school
And then get
put in
arrested.
jail. Yeah, I don't want that to happen.
We're going our separate ways.
No, we're not.
Oh, okay. So, we're why is there a lighter? It's doors. Lights flicker. Oh, I need to find a closet. Okay, I need to come out of the closet. I'm gay.
Remember when we watched a Spider-Man movie and the sequel was in there?
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna
Shut up in there, Ruby.
Should we film the try not to laugh? Should we film the try not to laugh?
Yeah, after I get attention.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.
I'm turning into all the guys in my class.
Was the doctor feeling your cooch?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the doctor was feeling your cooch. She had a doctor's appointment right before this. And I also had mine on Tuesday, I think.
I'm scared. We changed to a female doctor, so they're probably going to be talking about weird stuff now.
Huh?
It's so beautiful. Can we have it? Can I take it home with me?
He's going out.
No! Oh, it's so cute. It's chubby. We're not gonna. It's so cute and chubby. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, I thought he was gonna jump at me.
I thought he was gonna kill me.
But what you want?
Bro, you're so cute. Can we have you? No, are those raspberries? Oh, poor dude.
No, it's for him to eat.
Oh, poor dude. Are you trapped?
He looks so cute.
Oh, those are strawberries. But are you trapped, dude?
What do we name him?
Let's name him Harry.
Leslie.
Oh.
Is it a boy or girl?
Can I see your cooch?
Can we like peek in his underpants?
Let's peek. Maybe I can do an inside joke like every day.
Come up to my finger.
No, he's gonna bite you.
I don't care.
I like how we're just filming this.
Come here. Come here, boy. Look. Look. I got rid of boy. Oh my god, he's so cute.
He's not a dog, but like he's probably not gonna react to this.
But he's so cute.
Come here, baby. Can I give him a piece of grass?
I
Give
want
him sprinkle. You gotta peek the grass.
sprinkling it on
Let's
him.
sprinkle onto him. Keep sprinkling.
That doesn't even go on him.
I don't care.
Bro, get out of that little secret hideout.
Bro.
Hey, bro.
Bro. Let's sprinkle onto him. Bro, come over here. Come over here, bro. Bro.
Should I actually try and feed it to him?
Try to feed it to him.
Bro.
Oh, he's trying to get out. Poor dude.
Bro.
He's so cute.
Bite it. I
Wait,
think I poked him in the
I want
eye.
to feed him.
Bite it.
Did he bite you?
No, I don't think
Bro, come here, bro.
so. And guys, I think there's a bug on me.
Are you checking if there's a brow on you? Come here, bro. Bro.
Bro.
Oh, he took it. You want it?
He's so cute. Bro, stop.
I like how we just totally changed the topic of the video. It's just
Bro.
Bro, there's a bug on you.
Bro,
Get the bug off you. Bro, there's a bug. Oh, you scared him.
He's so cute, though. Can we take an aesthetic Pinterest picture?
No, this wouldn't look aesthetic. This would look like animal abuse. I want to let him go. He looks so sad.
I don't care if it looks like animal abuse.
Bro.
Oh, he's scared of us. He doesn't want us there. Bro, you want this? Yeah.
Bro, I get you've done bad things like eating stuff or whatever.
Why do you catch him?
Because he's eating stuff. Is he eating like plants and stuff?
Probably.
Eat it.
Yeah, you motherfucker.
Nom. Oh. Nom.
Wait, I can feed him this. Bro. Wait,
Come here, bro.
no, we need a long
Let's name him Bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
I need a long button. Bro, look at
Bro.
Literally.
I want to drop the rock in the cake.
Bro, eat it.
We were trying to feed him grass. We named him Bro.
Bro.
He's gone. So
No! Bro! He's taking Bro away. Oh, he looks so sad. He's trying to get out. Bro! No! Yo, Bro.
What's up? You want that?
Where are you taking him though?
Wait.
so I can let him out.
Bye.
Bye, Bro. Have a nice day. Have a nice flight. Okay, we should go before we get hit by a car. Okay, let's not get hit by the car. Bro's gone. Bro, oh, don't stop
How long
running.
have we been filming Bao?
4 minutes. Let's drink some more Brow juice.
He was so cute though.
He was so fluffy. He was so chubby.
I was gonna say.
Why is there a freaking sponge? Bro!
Tegan, if you're watching this, we know that you're only subscriber other than me and her on different accounts. Could you make an edit of us because we want to be famous.
Make an edit of us.
Make
We
an
don't
edit
care
of
if it's
us.
horrible like you're I was gonna say like your life.
We don't care if it's really bad. We just want to.
We just want to be edited because we're famous.
We don't care if it's
like Sam and Colby.
We
I'm
don't
sorry,
care,
bro.
We don't care if it's like
Enough.
We don't care if you make a video of us like.
Okay,
like
bye.
Lorax because you're obsessed with that song, but we don't care.
Shine, let it glow. Let the
Wait,
love
how
inside you
How
show.
much subscribers do we have?
3. It's another Brow. Get on my stick. Get on my. Get on my.
Bow.
Bro! Oh, Bro's like hanging. Is Bro dead? No, Bro's hurt. Bro can't fly. Bro can't fly. We need to save Bro. We need to put him in a tree. Let's go. Let's go, Bro. Bro. Oh, he's hurt because he can't fly. We need to get him near a tree.
Bro fell.
Want to get like a leaf for him or something?
Yeah.
We need to get him like on. Get a leaf. And we can like transport Brau. Let's go, Brau. No, Brau. Brau. I like how we're just saving wildlife right now. This vlog. How about our channel isn't just scary stuff? It's just like normal like vlog stuff. Cause like we've been vlogging like not scary stuff. Just
Bro,
like
take it.
we're just normal vloggers.
Wait, this video should be called Nature Girls. Okay.
The nature girls.
No, put a stick on it.
He's hurt.
I don't care if he's hurt.
Bro.
Bow, you best get on this leaf.
Bro.
Bow.
Bro.
Bow.
Bro.
You need to pick him up on the stick.
I don't think Bro likes us.
No, pick him up on the stick and then we can like.
Bro, this is like 4K. Hey, Bro.
Bro, get on it.
Bro.
Bow.
Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Why is he going further away from the tree? Can we try to like get him to like a tree somewhere?
We can get him to that tree.
Yeah, that tree over there looks healthy.
I want to know where he's making his way to.
Yeah, where is he trying to go?
Where
Bro, where are you going?
This is probably going to be our longest video because we're going to film his entire journey.
We're gonna let's film his journey.
Guys.
Get the stick.
Come on.
Bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro.
Look at him. Yeah, take this stick. Take this
Okay,
stick.
I'll take the giant
I'll
dick.
film. Yeah,
I'll
film.
That's better, yeah. So I'm not multitasking.
Bro!
Oh,
This working.
I felt his like vibrations.
This motherfucker.
Bro, come on, bro. Let's go. I feel him like vibrating the stick.
Oh my god, this is a good idea.
That's really cool.
We could keep like picking him up and then bringing him
Bro's
closer.
gonna sing me at one point. I know bumblebees are supposed to be nice, but we're like
He's a
pissing
bumble?
him off right now.
No, he doesn't. Ah,
Yeah, we're helping him, right?
this motherfucker.
Yeah, he's hurt. Because bees normally don't go on the ground.
Film.
Okay, are you sure you're not gonna be afraid?
I'm gonna be afraid, but like.
Just like make him go further that way. I'll film. I'll get real close.
Oh goddamn, he's talking back.
Like we're just swapping. Don't cover the camera. I think you are. A little
Not.
bit. Wait, where'd he go? Where'd Bro go? Bro.
Bro, what are you
Bro,
trying to do?
where are you going? Where's your journey going to? Come on, Bro. Bro.
I don't know if he likes this or
Does
not.
Bro like plátanos?
Where is this journey
Does Bro
going?
want some plátanos?
Where?
Bro wants.
Oh, where is this journey going
You
to?
want
Wait,
I'm gonna
journey.
so it doesn't like burn.
Guys, this is.
Bro can fly. Bro's fly.
Where is he?
Bro flew away.
Where is he?
Bro wanted some platinum. Bro wanted platinum.
Bro,
Find something else to save.
guys, because this is a nature video.
Yeah, this is our nature vlog.
This is Beatrice, our tree.
What?
Yeah.
No, Beatrice the bee, not Beatrice the tree. Okay.
Maybe let's find a little ant.
Let's go, bro.
Wait,
Let's go, bro. Oh. Okay.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Shut up, lawnmower.
Wait, don't step on any bees because we're wildlife girls. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I think I know where we could see. Here. I'm on my way.
Oh, okay, never mind. I'm not on my way.
Wait.
Oh.
This one.
Remember?
I can't be caught.
What if we flip off? Like, what if we like flip over one of these bricks and find like an intestine?
Oh my god, it's a worm.
A wormy. It's dead.
The fuck?
It's dead.
Ah!
It died.
This motherfucker.
You're touching a dead worm. Oh my god. I'm itchy. Okay.
What is that thing on him? Can you try to take that off?
It's part of his body.
Oh, it's a slug. There's a slug. Come on, bro. Bro, I know you're slow, so we're trying to help you. Stop eating the worm. Stop it. It's weird. Come on, bro.
He's so slow.
Where's Bro going?
This motherfucker's so slow.
Where's Bro going?
Our parents gonna find us and be like wondering why 10-year-olds are swearing. It's okay, because we were born in a horrible society. Is Bro dead? Did Bro die?
No, I think he's just playing dead.
Bro. Stop being so slow!
Can I?
Be faster. Come on. Yeah, bro.
Yeah!
Let's put him on a tree now. We're the bro savers.
We're the bro
We saved all the bros in the world.
He's slow, so he ain't getting up to you.
Yeah, he's not getting up to that tree. That's why we need to help him. We are the slug savers.
Guys, we're going to slave this little.
Where should we slave?
No,
Are we enslaving him?
No, never.
Slavery has already ended. What do you mean?
Juneteenth,
George?
guys.
Do you guys remember?
Place him on the tree where George was.
George was in the part, the video that we didn't film. The one that we made in our heads but didn't film. Come on, bro. Bro, you slow. Bro, is slow.
Get
Bro
on
is
the tree.
slow. Let's call him slow, bro.
Slow, bro.
We got Beatrice the bee. We got Bro the hedgehog.
All right, guys.
Groundhog.
I'm gonna take an aesthetic picture of Bro. Where is he?
Bro's right there. Bro is that brown long poop. He looks like a poo.
I took an aesthetic photo of him, by the way.
Okay, I'm using another stick because he's like slobbertified all over this.
Stinky stick.
The stinky stick.
Okay, guys, it's my turn
We
because
pull off the cheese sticks.
I'm the one who finds them and she's the one who picks them up.
Yeah.
I'm definitely afraid of bugs.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. This is our wildlife vlog.
This is episode 1, season 1 of Wildlife.
I don't think we're ever going to continue this, but I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Go, 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 go.
I feel myself.
I'm
on my way. We need to rescue some more bees. Why did the other Beatrice? Why did Beatrice start just flying out of nowhere?
It all started when did that thing appear on the car?
What thing?
A little white thing. I just want to know. We're gonna have to blur out the license plate.
Oh yeah. I'll figure out how to do that. I'll go on CapCut and use those stickers just like cover it because I don't know how to blur things out.
What? Wait, come here. We might find more bees.
It keeps changing every time we see it.
To find more bees.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
There.
Remember the sirs on the trampoline?
Let's go check on Brow.
Yeah, bro. Bro probably didn't move an inch. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Bro?
Where's Brow?
Bro?
Brow?
Where'd bro go?
Brow.
Bro!
It's Brow.
It's bro!
He actually made it all the way over.
Bro actually made it. Okay.
We could probably find more interesting things.
I want to find like a snake, but
We're finding like all of our things over here. Like,
yeah.
except Beatrice.
Beatrice was over there, but that's okay. I'm on my way. How do we notice Beatrice?
This is the remains
Oh, bro, bro. We call everyone bro at this point.
Brow.
Come on, bro. Mushroom. Aesthetic mushrooms. There's moths. We could use moths. Hey, bro. They're not cooperative.
What is that? Is that a tick?
No. I want to like flip this over and find like an entire environmental thing. Environmental studies.
Flip it over.
I feel like I want to do one lower so it doesn't like, so it's not hard to pick up. Like right here.
Let's go.
I'm on my way. I'm on my, oh my god. Way. Oh, there's ants.
Oh my god, what is that? You see that thing? Hold on.
What thing?
That, there's so many things there. There's like little things. Hold on.
Lil Pop.
There's one! Roly-polies! What are those?
We need to get roly-polies.
Move the brick.
Roly-polies, come on.
There's a little roly-poly, guys.
Come on, bro.
There's another one. There's 2 of them. See
They're
that?
twins. Come on, bro.
Wait, what are those?
Stop.
Are those baby leeches?
I don't know what they're called, but we call them roly-polies because that's what my mom called them and my brother. That's how I grew up to call them. Come here, buddy.
They're going under. We need to like flip it somehow.
They like hiding under things. That's all I know about them. They love hiding in the under netherworlds.
Dad, did you drop Bra off in the wild? Is Bra safe?
I'm not going to catch another one if you drop it here.
We're gonna take it. I'm gonna take it home with me. We're looking for environmental studies.
This is, oh my god, it's a little,
Okay, we should leave the bras alone.
no, it's a roly-poly though.
It's a Lil Pop.
It's a little pop.
Lil Pop.
Get on, little pop.
Okay, let's find something else. I'm on my way. don't know why we're going this way, but I want to go this way.
What?
We've literally been recording for like more than 10 minutes.
The last one was 8 minutes, so. And half of most of it was literally just bra number 1 and bra number 2 and Beatrice and the bra.
We need to actually name it.
Bra! Where's the slug?
Uh-oh. Slowbrau?
Slowbrau?
Where'd Slowbrau go? Oh, that rhymed. Slowbrau? Slowbrau. Where'd Slowbrau go?
Oh my god, there's a little red thing over there.
A little red thing? A little paw. It's a little paw.
Ew.
Where's Slowbrau? I don't know where Slowbrau went. This is the bump that I got from the shot. Look. I'm on my way.
Where?
There's a bump. Somewhere. Like here.
Oh.
It hurts.
I had my shot today. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. We're gonna get ticks over there. We don't want that.
I'm on my way. Wet.
It's wet?
I think I haven't touched it.
It's like a little bit wet.
Like a little paw?
Yeah, it's like a little pop wet. Should we jump on it?
Should we?
Yes.
We should get all the stuff off.
Okay, guys, we're gonna film us jumping on the trampoline. I'm on my way! I'm on my way! Why does it look so far away? So wet. Looks wet. It's fine. Okay. Hold me near that, bro. Yeah, on the fucking trampoline. Hashtag bro. Hashtag bro. Hashtag. It's not a phase. It's an aesthetic. I'm entering. What? Hashtag. It's a phase. Why is everything dead today? Oh my god, there's someone else. It feels like I'm stepping. I don't think so. It feels like I'm stepping on a bunch of bees. I've never stepped on a bee though. Why do you know what? That's too wonderful. And my person is going to take on one. No, it's going to be. It's not fun, but it's dirty. It's not fun, it's dirty. It's illegal. Shut. Or like a hair. Okay. That's dirty. I don't even want to touch the ground now. Ah! There's an ecosystem. Oh, a leakage pipe. There's like an ecosystem. I keep falling. I screamed my knee. Falling for you. What do you think is filming part of the trampoline? Oh, I screamed my knee. Falling for you. Should be like my feet. Okay, guys, in the Spider-Verse, it's Miles Morales and Gwen Stacy. In the Goalkeepers, it's Kilometer Morelli and Quinn Tracy. What do you think? We invented it by ourselves. Which my contract. I see you, see? My name is David Tracy.
Never has Ice Spice been so refreshing. And yes, I don't mean iced tea, I mean Ice Spice.
It came out of my nose.
Ew.
Ew. Can we go inside now?
Well, I think that was the end of today's video.
It came out of my nose. Ew.
So, see you next video. Bye.